Hi, good evening. I am Hadi from Dhaka. Today I want to show you one new website. This website give you big amount for you. If you invest $10, after 24 hours you get $20. This is very good opportunity to earn money quickly. Okay, dear friend, if you feel doubt, okay, you can ask me, you can call me, you can SMS me. My particulars are given in description box. Please check description box. If joining link also description box. Okay, dear friend, if you are new user, please subscribe my channel. Okay, if you like this video, you must like and comments below in the comment box. Okay, dear friend, I show you the main. Click the main. Okay, here go to account. Okay, dear friend, I'll show you my deposit. You see 3 deposit, yeah, 1 active ready, okay, 2 close ready, because this amount already I withdraw ready. This is my payout. Okay, this is my payout. Or this amount already pay out my wallet. Okay, dear friend, how to join? If you join this on quickly, you must need on wallet. Maximum user don't have wallet. Okay, you create wallet localbitcoin.com. Localbitcoin.com give you opportunity to sell and buy your bitcoins. Okay, if you have already wallet, you can just join here. Okay, here minimum how much question you see. You see what is unique here, right? How come profit? This one, you see, read fast. How it work? Read fast. For example, you make deposit 0.0060 BTC. After 24 hours, you will get like this. Okay. Okay, here everything you must. Okay, you must read everything. Okay, after you feel doubt, you just comments. Okay, so don't worry, huh? Okay, go to wallet. You see, make a deposit. How to deposit? Okay, this is wallet. Just go to your wallet, local Bitcoin, blockchain, Coinbase, and send your money to here. After within 2 minutes, you must deposit here. So minimum deposit like this. You send less than like this BTC, you must this one forfeited. Okay, be careful. Okay, be careful that. Okay, I see. You see, any amount less than ATO you are considered as a donation. Okay, if you join, you must go to description box and click the email and use your wallet address and password. Okay, thank you, bye bye.